Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson here with Sifu Colin Lieberman at his school in Ithaca, New York, Centerline Fitness and Martial Arts. And this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider for a time your reasons. Maybe these are reasons that came to you or you developed or you asserted. But consider for a time your reasons for being on this earth. Being in this body, being in this life. Consider for a time, I say for a time, maybe it's months. Consider for a time your reasons for being on this earth, in this life, in this body. Then, practice your Tàijíquán. Maybe for the day, maybe for another month, maybe for the year, whatever you like. Then, consider if the reasons for your having practiced Tàijíquán diverge at all from your reasons for living in this body, in this earth, in this life. If those two reasons diverge, reconsider, reconsider, reconsider. Then practice your Tàijíquán. So, thank you very much. Appreciate you guys staying with us all this time. Thank you, Colin. Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.